another YouTube video. Yeah, joined by a special guest from Madison.
Hey guys.
Yep. And so today, probably she's excited. We're gonna be making some slime, but there'll be an addition to
A
it,
twist.
to it. We have a coin.
That's a penny.
Same thing.
But
So let me give you.
it has different scents.
Let me give you an example. So this is what we do. We would
Let's
pick. We
Blue
do.
and purple.
So we would pick a blue and pink. Okay, we pick two of our favorite glues,
And
like
it
which glue we
leaves.
want to use. So we would have the coin, we would flip heads or tails. So pretend I'm saying this is heads, that's tails.
It
So I
is.
flip it.
It is heads. So this
So
would
I
be,
would choose that one.
and I would have that one.
Yeah, no. You would pick
I would pick a different
Yeah.
one.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for all the rounds.
Simple as that.
Yeah, so ready? But before we get into the big, make sure you smash that subscribe and smash the like button and comment down below, because yeah.
Comment down below slime.
Yeah, comment down below #slime if you are happy for this.
Or if you're Team 34 member.
Okay guys, we'll be right back and we'll be back right now. Okay guys, so we are back and we're gonna start now. So
And we just played rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and I won, so I get to do this first.
okay.
And you won, yes.
Yeah, so get your we know which one are we starting at first. We're starting with our glue.
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna pick those two?
Picking.
Do you want both of those? And you can't decide? And what else are you gonna choose?
Picking.
Versus those who
And Colin will have to either use this. And Colin, I have to put this in for you because there's a lot in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna need help. I'm not good at making.
So Colin's gonna be using these. Colin's never made slime with me.
I have.
You have
Remember?
pink glitter glue. Oh yeah.
Okay, ready? So which is heads, which is tails?
This is heads. This is tails.
Okay.
Obviously.
Okay, 3.
Heads. Yes.
He gets this.
I got my
Okay.
clue.
So now
Goodbye, Pink.
I'm gonna pick blue or the normal glue. So this is heads.
And
this is
if
tails.
one thing, guys, if Colin does pick this, he'll use Tide. And if Colin picks this,
he won't. I
this
won't
thing?
use him.
what? Colin, if you don't, oh guys, look at this.
Tails! Now let's go! Look at this!
Okay, now Colin's gonna have to use
Tails.
what's it called? Colin's gonna use the same thing as me.
Yeah, we're using glitter. glue.
Contact lens solution and baking
Yeah.
soda. Colin, it's more like this.
Yeet! Yeet!
Okay.
Now let's get all the keys, by the way.
Yes. Guys, so now let's get. No, we're not making the sun yet.
Oh yeah.
To add
Okay.
So
Now
guys, next
we're gonna do the
no,
things we put
we're
in.
not gonna use foam.
Oh,
Do you want to use foam?
well, I gotta see what all of them are.
So
Since you wanna go first last round, I gotta go first this round.
okay.
All right.
No, let's use glitter first.
Okay, which glitter we're choosing?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's use 3.
I gotta pick first. No.
Well, you
we're
gotta
using 2. We gotta pick.
I'm
I'm gonna either pick gold or the ruby.
That's red.
Same thing.
Okay.
You want? Where did it? Oh,
You had it.
heads, tails.
Tails! Yes! You get the green.
Dang, I really wanted the gold, but
I want to get the gold.
okay, gold versus silver. Heads, tails. The
The gold is the heads and the silver is the tails.
this is like 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! I got gold.
Okay,
I can't get this up.
so ready? These are what we're using for this.
I got some gold.
So we're gonna be back for the next one. Okay, guys, so we are back. We played another game of rock paper scissors. She won.
Obviously.
Yeah.
So
Sorry.
I'm gonna go first. So this one will. We're not gonna do fish cookies. Right?
Okay.
So either the rainbow one.
No, we gotta pick any of these.
Okay.
I'm picking between these and
That's
these. That's what I'm picking. What are you picking?
I'm gonna be doing either one of these. So this
Okay,
is tails.
so get-
This is heads.
Ready?
So guys, for the heads, I
Tails, heads, or heads, tails?
heads, tails.
Okay. Rainbow's heads, blue's tails.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Heads.
I got the rainbow.
Yeah, you got rainbow.
If Colin, if I got the blue, I would feel so bad for Colin.
Yeah. I'm gonna choose either Colin. Got my hand.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not gonna.
Be right back, guys.
Guys,
I just had to wash my hands real quick. Sorry. I guess I'm using that one. Hey guys, I'm gonna have the choice between this one or this one. This is the. You know what? I don't want that one. I want this one or this one.
So this one
It's
is the poofier one,
I like the poofy.
and this one's the skinny one.
Okay, so heads, tip. Heads, tips.
Colin, we need you. Colin, we need something to mix the slime. Okay, guys. So Madison just went to get a spoon. I'm pretty sure to mix, like mix. These guys are gonna be back when she's here.
We got our got a fork. So yeah, I still haven't picked between this or this. Can I have the coin, please?
Where is it?
Where did
Found it.
Okay, so you guys got the coin?
Heads and tails.
Yeah.
That was not the fork. Heads.
No, that's not.
Okay.
So the big ones are heads and small ones are tails. Heads, yeah! I got these ones.
All right. Really? All right. So let's put the rest of these things back.
Okay. Is it time to make?
Hold on. We have one.
Oh, we still have these.
Oh yeah.
I get to go first this time.
So rock, paper, scissors.
No, you went first last time. So guys, it's between the candies and the fruits. You know what? This is gonna be heads for me, and this is gonna be tails.
Oh.
I really want the fruit.
Why?
You got that!
And then I got this one.
I got these.
Ooh, how about this? I'll share some of this.
No. Hey guys, so that's
So now,
it.
guys, it's time to make.
Yeah, it's gonna be time to make. Now we're gonna make our stuff right now.
So Colin doesn't know how to make it, so I'm going to tell him. No.
Okay, we got
This
this.
is yours.
We got this.
Open your glue.
Oh, the savage way, not the school way.
No. Colin, can I pour that in for you?
No.
Because I have to tell you when to stop, because that's mine.
Okay.
Okay, go.
What do I do?
Do you want me to pour it? Squeeze it.
Get out of that bottle slime. What?
All right.
Okay, guys. So we got our glitter slime in. Ready?
Next, you can put a little bit of this.
Okay. A tiny bit. Okay. So guys,
Mhm.
we're gonna do the glitter, guys.
Oh, I got some glitter on my pajamas. Oh, I used all the.
Okay, why am I whispering? I'm so weird.
There's a little
Yeah,
bit
I
left.
have that much left. So guys, this is my slime so far. Kind of looks like cereal with blue milk.
Mine looks like a bomb went off.
Okay, now we use this. I may use actually all of these up.
I don't care.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
That's candy.
Get down.
That's in the bag.
Here. Okay. So what are we gonna do after this?
After this, Colin,
Yeah.
what do you think?
I don't know. Okay, Okay, guys. After this, we're gonna do something I don't know because I'm not good. So, guys, next
Is this
the baking soda. Bacon soda.
bacon powder?
No, it's starch. I'm weird. I'm actually a lad.
Go get a spoon.
No.
Okay,
So,
guys, we
got
need a spoon for this. So, Colin, go get. Hold on.
No.
Or a sprinkle. Okay. Okay.
No.
Can I see your spoon? Well, no. Do you want me to open that for you? Alright. Just do a little. Okay.
Is that good enough?
What? Yeah, that's good.
Just keep that open just in case. Okay, now we go mix. Oh, this is already turning into slime. Wow. This thing is just one heck of a mess. Just gotta get all that. I'm scared. There's gold in mine. I don't think that is.
Oh yeah. That's because of yesterday. What happened with me and Amelia when we made a slime. So guys, yesterday, me and Amelia, we tried to make a Twin Telepathy slime challenge, but I had no space on any of my cameras. So yeah, it's just
What the heck?
it's just a dandy. So I made a small batch, guys. I know why, guys. It's because of how much. So it depends on how much glue you put in.
Can you help me?
Here, play with this.
I'm scared.
Just touch it. Move it around with your hands.
That it doesn't get stuck on me.
Colin, you probably thought that your slime was awful, but it's actually good.
This is good too. This is like pure gold.
And also, guys, me and Amelia, before we had 2 batches of slime, and we didn't have any good containers left. So what we used.
Okay, I want to swap slimes now.
Sure.
Is my slime pretty good?
Yes, it's stupendous.
Oh, guys.
Show them up on the camera. Do you want to make more?
I won't have enough. I won't be able to post it. What is this?
Colin, that's part of. Colin, that's.
It's stuck on me. I don't want it. Okay, guys, so that will be it for this video today. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. So peace out, and we'll see you. Bye.